All right. So are you video? Are you on? Yep. All right. Christine here. I'm per request. I'm doing a half back with a twist. I'm gonna do Natalie here in a minute, but I needed someone with pretty smooth hair, so I grabbed a volunteer at church. So you just gather from the top, get the sides, top, both sides, so that you're getting kind of like a cap here of hair. You're gonna take that and you're gonna twist it. And depending on how smooth the hair is, maybe twist it because you want to get that little bit of a roll. And you're gonna like boost it up a little bit, not a lot, but it gives it just a little bit of a bump there. Now, I have my pin ready. And you're just gonna come underneath. You do need to grab hair from both sides and then anchor it over here or it will roll on you. And then just slide the pin through and then you have that little bit of the roll. Very easy to do, especially when you have beautiful, smooth hair. Thanks.